Okay, Toyota Hiace with the warning light on the dash with the 2 feet or the pair of feet. We'll show you what that looks like here. Okay, so you'll find with this most times that your brake lights will not be working also. And you could get a couple of fault codes, a P0504 for A-B correlation for the brake pedal switch, and a P0571 for Sensor A circuit. Okay, so don't jump to your brake pedal switch. They're actually not very common for failing. And most of them will have 4 wires on the brake pedal switch as well. So you just have to be mindful that you've got 2 sides there switching if you are testing it. But what you want to do, let's come around this other side. Okay, and we are going to look at our fuses. Okay, so you'll see here we've got a fuse box. Okay, so this one here will sometimes have a fuse in it for the brake lights. This one doesn't have it, but where you will find one is in the hidden fuse box. Put that back on zoom, which is up here. Okay, and you'll see here this 10 amp fuse for stop. That is just about always the fuse that blows. Okay, preventing that brake circuit from working. And that's what causes that warning light on the dash with the 2 feet. And those fault codes, P0504 and P0571. Okay, so if you have those fault codes and you have no brake lights and you have the warning light on your dash and your Hiace with the picture of 2 feet, this is where you want to come to. Okay, so some of the models will have another fuse also in this fuse box, which you can check as well. But normally it is this one up in here. Okay, and they are normally a micro blade fuse that you need to replace in there.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.